Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode we're going to make tofu taste good. First, I'm going to make a marinade for the tofu by starting out with about 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil, extra light for the high smoke point. Then I'll add a few big glugs of liquid aminos. And about 2 or 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a metric ton of smoked paprika, a big squirt of yellow mustard, big old squeeze of lemon juice, a splash of beer because I happen to be drinking one, and a little bit of water from the tofu package because we don't waste water out here in the desert. And now I'll just use my super speed to quickly stir this up. And now I'm just slicing the tofu into thick slices like so, and I'm just going to drop those into the marinade. Then cover them up and let that chill for about 2 hours. This is an Ancho chili that I've been soaking in water for a couple hours along with a clove of minced garlic. I'm dumping all of this into a scorching hot cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to let this cook until most of the liquid has evaporated while also smashing up the pepper. Now that most of the liquid's gone, I'm just going to kill the heat and let that cool down. Now I've transferred the pepper and the garlic back to my little ramekin, and I'm going to add a few big forkfuls of veganaise, a dash of smoked paprika, and just stir the hell out of it. And once I'm done, I'll just stick this in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. Now I'm placing the tofu onto a scorching hot grill, and I'm just going to cook it on each side for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's give these a turn. Right. This one's sticking a little bit. Yeah, this one's sticking a lot. Should turn the heat down. Come on. I hate when this happens. They can't all be winners, folks. This is life. Get used to it now. Remember this when you have children. Alright, that one's okay. Ow, 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 ow. Alright, let me put a little more marinade on here and make these look a little bit better. Yeah, that'll do. Alright, cover these up for a minute. Okay, while the tofu is finishing, I'm going to toast my bun. I've got a fresh bakery roll that I've spread some vegan butter on. And now it's time to plate up, bro. Start out with some of that Ancho Aioli on the bottom bun. Then some romaine lettuce. A couple slices of tofu. A few slices of tomato. Some onion slices. A whole lot more of the aioli on my top bun. And 4 dill pickle chips. All right. You know, to be honest, I'm not that hungry. However, I think I might have just the thing to fix that. Oh yeah. Now I'm so hungry I could eat a pile of garbage. But I don't have to because I got this sandwich. Oh yeah, here we go, baby. Here we go. Mm. 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 Wow, that is seriously good, man. Oh, that's good. Whew. Oh man, now I just gotta find something good to watch tonight. Oh, you know what? Endgame just came out on Blu-ray. I bet I could pirate that shit. Yeah, man, that's what I'm gonna do. That's the ticket, baby. Yum, 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 yum. Mm. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Hey man, is this Burger King? Hey man, how's it going? Good. Uh, hey, you seen Endgame, bro? Dope, man. I'm watching it right now. Hey, okay, let me get, 6 Impossible Whoppers and 6 large fries and a few bags of diet soda. I gotta be there to order. Oh, my bad, man. Shit, you guys don't deliver, do you? Ah, man, I screwed this up. I gotta come up with. Look, I'm gonna come up with a plan, man, and then I'm gonna call you. No, I'm gonna come in there. I'll be the guy that looks like Fat Thor. All right, bye bye.